Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS 5D Mark IV by mastering its connectivity options for a truly enhanced shooting experience. Let's begin by identifying the ports on the left side of your camera. Carefully lift the rubber flaps to reveal what's beneath. First, you'll see the microphone input. This standard 35mm jack is where you connect external microphones for superior audio quality compared to the camera's built-in mic. Simply align your microphone's 35mm plug with the port and gently push it in. Until it's secure, you should feel a slight click. Next to it is the headphone output. This allows you to monitor your audio levels in real time, ensuring crisp and clear sound during video recording. Insert your headphones here to listen back to your audio as you record, helping you catch any unwanted noise or distortion. Moving down, you'll find the remote control terminal. This port is specifically designed for wired remote switches, perfect for preventing camera shake during long exposures or self-portraits. Connect your compatible wired remote control to this port, and you're ready to trigger your camera remotely. Ideal for steady shots. Below that is the HDMI Terminal. Use this to connect your camera to external monitors or televisions for a larger, more detailed view of your composition, or to play back your footage. Simply insert a compatible HDMI cable here to link your camera to an external display, enhancing your preview and review capabilities. Finally, there's the USB 30 port. This high-speed connection facilitates faster data transfer for images and videos to your computer, and can also be used for tethered shooting. Connect your camera to your computer using a USB 30 cable for quick file transfers or to control your camera directly from your computer. By understanding and utilizing these essential ports, you can significantly expand your Canon EOS 5D Mark IV's functionality and elevate your photographic and videographic endeavors.